Tired of unreliable trash pickup? Choose a service you can count on. Rock Solid Waste. We provide dependable, affordable trash service for homes and small businesses with clean, professional equipment and friendly local support. When we say on time, we mean every time. Call today for a free quote at 731-420-4451. That's 731-420-4451, or visit rocksolid.com. Rock Solid Waste, taking the trash out of your worries. And now to Jerry Mack for the forecast.
All right, Karen, thanks for that. Rock Solid Waste is a sponsor for this morning's weathercast. So I noticed, um, and I didn't get called out on it, so I don't know how many other people noticed it, but I noticed I spelled extreme wrong. Um, should have had a T there instead of a Y. Kind of funny that just now saw it because I missed it yesterday. Anyway, we're still under an extreme cold warning until noon today. So a little bit longer, we'll be out of that extreme cold warning. So for today, sunrise, sunset for today, 7 a.m., sunset at 5:18, 10 hours and 18 minutes of daylight. Current conditions, that was earlier, so we may be a little bit different with the temperatures, but 14 degrees, 11-degree dew point, barometric pressure is 30.39, humidity is at 89%. So we got those southwest winds. I've seen them as high as 10, so it makes it feel like it's about 3 degrees out there. So I had to revise this a little bit, didn't realize that I had a negative wind chill value, but we should reach a high of 33, sunny, cold. Wind chill values could be in the single digits with those winds out of the west, southwest at 5 to 10. Overnight tonight, mostly cloudy, cold, some dense freezing fog will be possible overnight, especially if those winds go calm. Overnight low of 12 degrees. And the 7 day. So it looks like we're going to be above freezing for a few days. We'll see some clouds Wednesday and Thursday, but we do get up. It looks like above freezing, at least the current data I'm seeing. We'll have another cold front to push through. Generally going to be a dry front. We're just going to get some potential freezing fog. Um, so, but the front itself, as it pushes through, will be a dry front. Doesn't look like there's going to be any precipitation with it. We do get temperatures to drop back down over the weekend. Still going to be cold. And then we do start a warm up there on Monday with mostly sunny skies and 36 for a high. So hopefully some of the above freezing temperatures will get some of this snow and ice melted off. Again, potential freezing fog overnight, so we could see a little glazing in some areas. So we need to be careful with that. Not expecting a lot out of it, but again, still, it will be water droplets that will freeze on contact. So we'll keep an eye out for that. See if we see any freezing fog in areas. Not expecting potentially. Hopefully, we don't see any, but I do think we'll see some freezing fog in some areas overnight. All right, everybody, have a good day. Try to stay off the roads. I know some of them are probably getting them a little clearer, but I know a lot of these back roads are still pretty treacherous. Maybe some of the city roads in some areas have probably gotten some clearing to them. So, if you're able to be out, for sure, be careful. If you don't have to be out, stay in, stay warm. Um, and like I said, we'll hopefully get some of this stuff melted off in the next couple of days. Everybody have a good day.